Hello. Well, this is the final installment for this particular journal. I think I've shown you all I can show you on this after this. So I did go ahead and put some stuff in this journal, but it's not completely full yet. Oh, I feel a sneeze coming on. So I'm going to use this is Barely Arts glue. I like to use it because it doesn't warp the paper. Like, it's not it looks wet, but it's not a super wet glue. And it's got a nice hold. So hopefully it doesn't make a liar out of me and this goes on smooth and can make my point. All right. So we're just getting rid of this ugly back and we're putting on a nice clean one, but it is still vintage, so it's maintaining the look of the book. So I think it's good. Handy dandy credit card to smooth things out. And then I usually put something on here. So I went ahead and did the front page, and you can see that one is done. And I always put a library card on the front of my journals and the definition of bricolage. So the other thing I'm gonna do here, oh, I forgot to look for a closure, but I'm gonna put the hole in for the closure so you can see how I do that. I wanted to find a black closure, like lace or something, but I looked real quick before I started this. I got sidetracked and forgot that was my mission, but anyway, I take my crocodile and make sure I got the larger hole here. So I'm gonna put that hole in right about here, and then put this eyelet in. Okay, so that's done. I like to take my flat pliers and just make sure that those, because it's so thick, it doesn't really like to lay down with just the crocodile. So anyway, you can see that. Now there's a thing there I can put anything through here for a closure, a tie that I'll just wrap around and tie it closed. So anyway, you can see this is all done now. Let me stand up and make sure I'm in frame. There we go. So that is all in there now. And this is what I'm talking about with the hollow back spine. It lays flat for your working purposes, which is nice. So yeah, I did go ahead and put some things in here. So she's getting pretty chunky. I need to put some more things in. I got a couple pockets that are empty yet. And then I put the closure on here. Is there anything else I need to do? I don't think so. So anyway, thanks for following along with me. I know that really didn't take very long for that last little part to show you that, but yeah. So this will be available in my February 3rd shop update, and I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial, but you know, you got to follow along and hopefully you picked up a few tips along the way. yeah, so this is the pocket. I have to fill that pocket and the other one that's just like it. This one. So I will do that, and then I'll just page through and make sure there's nothing else that needs attention, but she's pretty much done. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. I very much appreciate you hanging out with me. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you next time.